Alright guys, it's day 3. We're going to continue with paint thinner and then we'll be ready to put on the Raptor. Alright guys, that's the first pass. We're just going to let it sit there for about a good 45 minutes. Come back, give it the second coat. Alright guys, so we let it sit there for 45 minutes. We just came back, give it the second coat, which is the texture. So let's get to it. Alright guys, that's the second coat. We're just gonna let it sit there for 45 minutes, come back and take off the paper and the tape and show you guys pre-reeling. Alright guys, so we already finished the Silverado. That's it for this one. The Silverado looks really great in the sun and the shade. Looks just beautiful. Go ahead and take a look. All right, guys. So that's it for this one. But guys, when you send us an email or ask us through text message how much for your vehicle, you guys got to send us pictures because we cannot just give you a quote on 2014 Chevy Silverado or 2005 Ford. We got to see pictures in order to give you a good estimate quote, guys. So please send us pictures of your vehicle so we can give you a good quote. So email us down below. And guys, thank you for your support and like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.